Hey, what's up, guys? Happy Wednesday. Today is September the 3rd. We are out here in Conyers. Well, my guy Aaron and Tavares already been out here. This is a new client. He found me online. I came out, did an in-home consultation. He booked on the spot. But I went out and did a consultation this morning for a client in Swan, and he also booked his appointment on the spot for the 17th of September. So these guys, they already got started. Floors came out, well, they are actually prepping the floor now. So I'm just going to let them finish up, and I'm going to head back to the office, do some admin work. So let me show you what we got going, though. All right, guys, so, let me clean my lens off. What's up?
Hey.
They doing good? Doing great, yes sir. So this is my client here who just moved into this nice property with all this land out here in Conyers. So oh yeah, look at that. Oh yeah. What's up, T? All right. So T did get some good before and after pictures. Aaron jumped on the buffer. Oh, what's up, Aaron?
What's going on?
How them blades do?
Now we use these.
Which one y'all use? Oh, okay, all right. Yeah.
He said, man, it look new already.
Yeah. All right, guys. So this was a screen and recoat, not a full sanding. The client said, Courtney, it don't have to be perfect. Just want to make it look better. So what we did, guys, is just this long hallway because he has carpet in all these rooms. Well, he said he's eventually going to rip this carpet out and have Aaron lay some new wood. He want the whole house to be wood. So, yeah, everybody get ready to put the coating down. And then the first coat, and then after that, put down the second coat. We're gonna go with Pro Coat Aqua Pro. So yeah, I'm just gonna probably need 2 of those, T. Okay. Yeah. Okay, good. And yeah, man. So I'm going to get me some good before and afters, and yeah, I'm gonna head back to the office and do some admin work. And tomorrow, me and Tavares will be heading to Columbus, South Carolina. Then I picked up a good one for Friday in Locust Grove, Georgia. So and then already got 4 scheduled for next week. So September is starting to look good. All right, guys, stay tuned.